you a story about a monkey, how he lost his bananas. Okay? One day, the monkey was sleeping in a big tree. Next day, the monkey woke up and he was feeling very hungry. He was looking for his banana. Oh, I'm not able to find my banana. Where is my banana? I'm feeling so hungry. Then he saw his friend Snake. Snake, Snake, did you see my banana? The snake replied, I don't know anything about your bananas. Please don't disturb me. Okay. Whom shall I ask? I don't know where is my bananas. Oh, my friend Bee. Bee, did you see my bananas? Buzz, buzz. The bee replied, I do not eat bananas. I eat pollen and nectars. Oh, okay. Whom shall I ask then? I'm feeling so hungry now. The monkey started crying and he stomped his legs. Come on children, everybody stomp your leg when you are hungry. How do you stomp your leg? Stomp your feet. I'm so hungry. I'm even getting angry as well. Where did I keep my banana? The monkey searched the banana up and down, inside and outside, but he was not able to find the bananas. At last, he saw the banana peels. I see a banana peels over here. 1, 2, so many peels. Who was eating my banana? I see a rabbit. Rabbit, that is my bananas. Rabbit said, no monkey, that is not your banana. See here, I have grown the banana tree. And this is my banana. Oh, I'm so hungry. The rabbit said, monkey, I think you're very hungry. Why don't you take my bananas? The rabbit gave all the bunch of banana to the monkey. Monkey said, thank you, rabbit. But who took my bananas? I forgot. Night, I was feeling so much hungry that I ate all my bananas. Oh no, I'm sorry friends for bothering you all. Thank you.